Hi everyone, my name is Kevin, and you have just heard my very long PowerPoint or description about WuKong's implementation. So now you can see WuKong implemented in an everyday setting, the household. We have chosen a household to directly parallel the smart home scenario described earlier. So how does the live orchestra work in this household? Well, if you look closer, there are various Intel Edison boards attached to the house, 2 under the roof and 1 at the back of the house. And each Edison board is actually attached to an MP3 shield, which represents a certain instrumental soundtrack. So for example, here, this one represents a trumpet. Now the 2 under the roof, this one represents the piano, and this one represents the drums. In addition to that, each Edison board also has an LED attached to it, which will blink in rhythm with the instrumental soundtrack. So let's start the computer program which will allow us to control the music demo. Let's start with something simple. We will only play the trumpet instrument in the beginning. So to do that, on the computer, we will go into the WuKong application store and we will press the trumpet icon to install it. You'll see that it is successfully installed. Then it will show us the FBP, the flow-based program, and then we click on it and deploy it. So let's start the music demo by indicating the start hand gesture. Let's stop it. And now let's fast forward to the next music section. And there you go. So now let's move on to something more advanced. Let's say we want to play the trumpet and the drums simultaneously at the same time. So on the computer, we'll follow the same process where we click the drum icon, download the application, see that it's installed, it will show us the FBP once again, and then we deploy it. So let's start. So now you can see a new LED on the left, indicating the drums. On the left, once again, is the original trumpet soundtrack. Let's stop. And now let's fast forward to the next soundtrack.